In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mask shape over an object or image seamlessly. Whether you're doing this for a design project or just exploring your creativity, this technique is incredibly handy for creating visual depth and focusing on specific parts of your image. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First things first, you'll want to have your object or image ready to go in your editing software. You might be working with photographs, graphics, or any other visual element you want to emphasize. Then you'll craft or select the specific mask shape you'd like to use. This shape will guide viewers' attention, highlighting the chosen area while obscuring the rest. Common choices for mask shapes include rectangles, circles, or custom shapes tailored to your project. Once you have your mask shape ready, you need to place it directly above the object or image on the layers panel. Think of layers like transparent sheets where each element sits on top of another and the order matters. Position this mask shape carefully over the portion of the image or object that you want to be highlighted. It's like placing a cutout against a backdrop. You need to ensure it's perfectly aligned. After positioning the mask, make sure both the mask shape and the object or image are selected. Selecting both will allow you to combine these elements in a functional way. You can typically do this by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each layer in your panel. With both layers highlighted, head over to the right-click menu. Here, you'll find an option called Use as Mask. Choosing this option will transform your selected shape into a mask, effectively merging the two selected layers into a new, visually engaging element. This step importantly controls what is hidden or visible, crafting a cleaner look that draws the eye exactly where you want it. Now that the mask is active, it's time for the finishing touches. You might notice parts of the image aren't quite where you want them to be. No worries, this is where adjusting comes in. You can tweak the mask's size, shape, and position to ensure it highlights exactly what you envisioned. Take your time in this phase. A small nudge can make all the difference, bringing harmony to the piece and emphasizing the main subject or focus area. Fine-tuning adjustments ensure that the final output aligns perfectly with your intended vision. And there you have it, a beautifully masked image or object that stands out flawlessly. With these insights and steps, you can now elevate your designs, enjoy experimenting with different mask shapes, and see how they transform your work into professional-looking pieces. Thanks for following along and happy creating!